I start my day by looking at upcoming maintenance. On our board, I can see what the previous shift found. We keep the building running because we are responsible for the maintenance and repair of all conveyor and building service systems in the logistics centre, such as the robots that you can see in the background. We use our technical know-how so that there is nowhere to stop. In each shift, we have the opportunity to take on new responsibilities, such as introducing a new technology in the logistics centre. What I like best is that the tasks are always varied and that we live day one every day, so to speak. We regularly get new equipment, such as a new sorting machine, and we improve our processes so we can continue to develop the technology. During the shift, it often happens that we work at a height of 5 or 6 meters to clear package jams or carry out system checks. Safety is always our top priority. What do you need to bring with you to work in maintenance at Amazon? Completed technical training, good communication skills in German, independent way of working and ability to work in a team. Do you want to be part of the technical department at Amazon? Then apply online at amazon.jobs. We are looking forward to your application. It's always day one.